Hello, good evening. Welcome to our channel Yushi Talks, and today we are bringing you another sensational news. Parlor CEO John Matsey has been terminated by the board, and he says that he has not participated in this decision. We have a lot of details around this news, hence please continue to watch the video and also subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Parler has terminated CEO John Matsey according to a memo Matsey sent to staffers that has been obtained by us. On January 29, 2021, the Parler board controlled by Rebecca Mercer decided to immediately terminate my position as CEO of Parler. I did not participate in this decision, Matsey wrote. I understand that those who now control the company have made some communications to employees and other third parties that have unfortunately created confusion and prompted me to make this decision public. Matsey wrote that over the past few months, he has been met with constant resistance to his original vision for the social media platform following Amazon Web Services' decision to shut Parler down for failure to moderate egregious content related to January 6th Capitol riot. Over the past few months, I've met constant resistance to my product vision, my strong belief in free speech, and my view of how the Parler site should be managed. For example, I've advocated for more product stability and what I believe is a more effective approach to content moderation, Matsey wrote. I have worked endless hours and fought constant battles to get the Parler site running, but at this point, the future of the Parler is no longer in my hands. He continued, I want to thank the Parler employees, the people on Parler, and Parler supporters for their tireless work and devotion to the company. They are an amazing group of diverse, hardworking, and talented individuals, and I have utmost respect for them. Many of them have become my second family. Parler, a social media app that was widely embraced by Trump supporters because it favored free speech, saw a spike in users following Twitter's permanent suspension of President Trump. Parler has been down since Amazon Web Services cut it off and was expected to relaunch before the beginning of February, but things were delayed. A Parler insider told that the delay was caused by new branding and changes occurring within the company for the sake of stability. Matsey emerged as a star of conservative media amid the chaos surrounding the company being taken offline by Amazon, making regular cable news appearances to defend free speech. Matsey told staffers he will take a few weeks off before searching for a new venture. He just says that after that, I will be looking for new opportunities where my technical acumen, vision, and causes I'm passionate about will be required and respected. I want to thank all the people of Parler that supported me and the platform. This has been a true American dream, an idea from a living room to a company of considerable value. I'm not saying goodbye, just so long for now. So that's all we have in today's news in regards to Parler CEO being terminated. Please continue to watch this space and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching me. You have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.